this on? We started? Yes. This is my first Facebook Live. Oh, it kind of stopped and it disconnected for Wi-Fi and then it came back again. I was like, oh, is it not working? So I'm just testing it out today and I'm going to speak to you about jazzing up your water with some chia seeds and goji berries. Jazzing them up, like my pants today. I feel like I should be teaching a Zumba class in these pants today. I call them my Zumba pants. I've never taken a Zumba class. I don't know if that is Zumba moves or not. If you've been to Zumba, is it any good? Should I go? Would I like it? You tell me. Anyway, I'm going to talk to you today about water and drinking it and making it healthier and a little bit more fun because, let's be honest, it can be a bit dull, but it is essential. So today, I've got in my water, I've got some chia seeds and some goji berries. You can see how lovely that looks like. I'm going to fill that up later. So goji berries. These are amazing. They've been around for a while now, so a lot of you probably know about goji berries, but they are packed with antioxidants. They've also got vitamin E, B2, iron, they're full of fibre, so they're really good for your health. They're great for athletes as well, so they're great if you're going to the gym, exercising, moving around, good for your body. They kind of look like this. You probably see them, they're like little dried out, you see them? Like little dried out fruits. Hello, welcome. Oh, hello, there's people. Oh, Shanta, hi Shanta, hello. So they kind of come like this, they're a bit dry, and they're nice, they're kind of sweet, but I don't really like them like this. I think they're a little bit like, not much. But when you put them in water, they kind of get all plump and lovely and gorgeous, and you see that? And they become really juicy, and you can really taste them, and they're really sweet. And I think it really brings out the flavour, and they actually sweeten the water as well. So instead of this like boring water, it kind of sweetens, it becomes like this really nice, tasty, lovely but healthy, rather than the sort of sugar-laden stuff that you buy in the shops that are kind of the sweetened waters with fruits or whatever. They kind of make it look healthy. That is not healthy. Do not buy that stuff, people. That is horrendous. Sweeten your own with your own fruit. And I've got chia seeds as well. So these are chia seeds. In my new packets like this, which are great if you're travelling, you want to take them to the office or whatever. Hello, good morning, Steve. Hello, welcome. If you're just joining, I'm talking about jazzing up your water. I tend to buy them in bulk, like this, a bit bigger. And then so it just works out cheaper. It's quite expensive eating all these superfoods. And then I'll just pop them into a little coffee jar that I just wash out. And it's easier to use and spoon them out. Chia seeds are amazing. They are packed with omega-3s, proteins, and they just give you energy. Like, they're just amazing, like little powerhouses. And what's great is when you put them in water, they become like this kind of glutinous kind of yumminess. It's a bit like, it's like being a big kid again, because you're kind of drinking like, it's like jelly, but healthy. It's really nice. They're also great if you make if you have the chia seed pot desserts, you make them with almond milk and jam. I make a great strawberry chia seed jam. So if you'd like the recipe for that, let me know. I'll maybe make a video on that next time. And you literally just pop them in the water, and after a few minutes, they kind of start to look like this. Can you see that? Can everybody see that? Oh, thank you, Anne. Looking beautiful. That's nice, isn't it? Hey, Ben. Hello. Yeah, so they get like that. And when you're drinking it, it almost feels like you're having a meal, so it kind of keeps you going as well, but it's water and it's hydrating, and it just makes water more interesting, because let's be honest, it's not that interesting. But try and make sure that you drink filtered water. Keep your water as clean as possible. I've got a filter tap on my tap here at home, but you might not have one of those, so try and buy bottled water or distilled water, or you can get something like this, which is like a Brita filter thing. So if you're going to, if you're at work, you can just fill it up. It's not the best filter in the world, but it's something, at least a start. You literally just fill it up, and there's a little filter in the top here, and you just drink it. Don't do what I did the first time I tried to do this. I was trying to drink it, and I'm like, it's not working. Why is it not working? Because it's a straw. You have to suck it. Suck it and see. But that's quite good if you're just running around. You can't get hold of bottled water. And a little saving money tip. I bought these goji berries in TK Maxx. Yeah, a little unknown fact there, that you can actually buy and chia seeds as well. They sell stuff like this in TK Maxx, and it's stuff that's going to run out by the end of the year, but it's still fresh to eat. But you get it for half the price that you would in the stores. So those of you in the UK, TK Maxx, keep that secret. But yeah, like jazz up your water, jazz up your life, get healthy. So that's what I'm talking about today. This is me testing out my Facebook Live. If there's anything you would like to know, anything you'd like me to talk about health-wise, nutrition, fitness, lifestyle, being healthier, happier, your skin, whatever, let me know. Put it in the comments and I will make a video. I'm going to commit to making a video every Wednesday, and it's Thursday today, but I'm just testing. And I'll do every Wednesday. So when do you want me? Do you want me Wednesday mornings, Wednesday evenings? You tell me. When would you like? What would you like to do? So first thing in the morning, I was thinking maybe 7, 8 a.m. Early? Too early? Not early enough? Or Wednesday evening after work, or middle of the day, lunchtime. That's what I'm thinking. So you tell me and let me know what you'd like me to tell you and what I'd like me to speak about. Would you like me to do a recipe, green smoothies, talk about that? What would you like to know? I'm here to help you. Thank you for watching. And yeah, that's it. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.